Welcome to Power 800 SAT Math, the ultimate video course for SAT Math preparation. So what sets Power 800 SAT Math apart from everything else that exists on the market? Well, there are three primary components. The first piece is that this is a musically designed video course, meaning that there are actual math music videos that I've custom created to help you understand and memorize difficult to handle concepts. For example, there's a math music video going through the differences between mean, median, and mode, one giving you the formula for a circle on a coordinate plane, and finally my personal favorite, one on SOHCAHTOA. The second differentiator is the fact that there are over 700 practice problems and exercises. Along with that, there's a video explanation for each and every single practice problem given to make sure that you understand thoroughly every concept and every type of question that can come your way. Finally, this is a frequency-based video course, one of a kind, which means that I have gone through and researched exactly what topics appear the most frequently on the actual SAT. I've done this through research of materials given by the College Board, and I've even taken the real SAT in 2016. From my research, I figured out what appears most frequently, and this course is organized in a top-down manner, meaning you start with the topics that are most important first and work your way through them in an efficient manner. I hope you guys enjoyed Power 800 SAT Math, and best of luck when you take the SAT.